have you ever wanted a better Gemini? One that actually reads the documentation you care about and gives better responses? Well, in this video, we are building a custom Gemini from scratch, and we are going to supercharge its brain and responses using NotebookLM. This is very easy to set up and could give you 100 times better responses. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. First of all, what you are going to do is that you need to go to NotebookLM. It's basically notebooklm.google.com. Okay, so now when you're in this site, I think most of you know what NotebookLM is. It is a platform released by Google that has AI functionalities and can be used to basically understand anything, like its slogan says. So you could basically upload things that are harder for you to understand, and the AI will make a careful study guide and make you understand each and every bit step by step, simply and efficiently. Now, what we're going to be using NotebookLM in this video is not to do that. We're going to be using it to make a custom Gemini skill. Now, I don't know if people know about this, but this is possible. You could create custom Gemini skills within NotebookLM, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, you click on create a new notebook, and then you will be prompted to this place. Now, you could always close this and explore what is over here. Now, as you can see, you could create an audio overview, a slide deck, a video overview, a mind map, reports, flashcards, infographics, quizzes, and a data table. Now, we're not here for those, and you could even create analytics when you publish this and etc. But we're not here for that. What we're here is to make a Gemini skill. So let's get into it. First of all, we click on add sources, and then what we're going to do is we are going to select websites. Now, I have prepared a special Google Docs containing the necessary websites for you to upload. Over here, I have several YouTube courses on front-end web development, and that brings us to the topic, what we are going to build today. So, what we're going to be building is a front-end tutor, an AI front-end tutor, which you could use to teach yourself AI, teach yourself front-end development, or ask anything regarding it, and it will respond. Okay, so now I have pasted all of those YouTube video links. These videos, as you could see, are 1 hour or longer. See, build a responsive website. See, these all are 1 hour or longer videos and courses. And then you click on insert, and then all of those video sources will be uploaded to the NotebookLM. Now, there is another thing that you could do. It is upload actual code so that it could learn. And for that, I have a collection of public GitHub repositories over here. And those are filled with modern website designs, front-end development skills, and filled with a completely unified readme.md file so the AI could understand it much better. Now, what we're going to do is the same with the YouTube videos. We're going to click add sources, then websites, and then paste these and click on insert. And then they will be inserted like so. And then the next thing that you could do is you could always click on add sources again, and then you could add up to 300 sources. You could click on fast search for now, but you could always select deep search. And then you could select and then you could type in find some sources on front-end development, and then you send it in. And then it will research websites and put them. This is just a fast research. You could always go with the deep research. So see, some of the GitHub repositories are still being uploaded. And then see, this found them. So I'm going to click on import. And then everything is gonna be imported. Okay, so I added some more sources by going to here and clicking in deep search and then telling it to find some more sources, and you could do that real quick. So now I have a total of 99 sources, and as you could see, it gave a title and analyzed everything in it. Now I'm going to go back to my Google Docs, and then I'm going to copy the first prompt. This prompt tells the AI to analyze everything and watch all the videos one by one, and then get a deeper understanding of what they are, and to make sure that they can teach young developers or people that don't know how to code. So we just gotta wait until the AI does its thinking, and well, I'll see you then. Okay, so the AI gave a clear status report, and it has successfully analyzed everything, as you could see. So the second thing we're gonna do is that we're going to import all of these skills to a Gemini gem. So we're gonna go over to Gemini, and then we're gonna expand the menu. Over here, you're going to click on Gems, and then it'll bring you to this page. Now, then go scroll down and find the Gem Manager section, and then go ahead and click on Create New Gem. Now, we could name it anything. For now, I'm gonna name it Tutor, and then we don't necessarily need a description, but I'm just gonna type in something like front end or something. Yeah, I'm gonna just type in front end, and then what you're gonna do is that you need to copy these instructions. You see, you are an expert, encouraging, and highly technological front-end developer tutor. So you copy all this prompt, and then you paste it inside the instructions. Now what you need to do, this is the most important part, you need to click on this plus button here, and then click on NotebookLM. From here, select that notebook you created about front-end development. As you could see, modern front-end development, tools, frameworks, and practices. Now we click on it, and then we click add. Now they will all be added. Now by default, you cannot add 99 sources. As you could see, 99 sources. You cannot add 99 sources to Gemini or Gemini Gem from here. But with this way, you could do that, and you could not add videos to Gemini Gems as well. But using the NotebookLM method, you could really do anything. And you could see add 300 sources. 300 sources total. So now let's go ahead and click on Save. And then it'll save our Gemini gem, and then we could click on Start Chat. It'll take a time, it'll take a minute to save all of this, and then it'll start a brand new Gemini chat. As you could see, it's taking a little while to load, and here it is, our tutor AI. It says font end. I guess I'm sorry about that, because my letter R is not really typing. It's a sticky keyboard issue. I gotta buy a new one. Now until then, please ignore if I don't type the letter R in some scenarios now. Okay, so now you could select a tool called Guided Learning, and then from here select it to Pro. And then what you could do is you could add your NotebookLM from here as well if you want to, but by default, this gem is already with this NotebookLM notebook, because adding it to a normal Gemini chat like this does not give you the best responses, because you can't add instructions, and well, sometimes Gemini just skips it, and just sometimes it like reads it half, not the whole thing, so you don't get a good response. But this way you do. So now you could type in something like, I am a complete let's say I am a complete newbie to front end dev. Please teach me it carefully and then press enter. Now, yeah, the R issue. I again typed font, but whatever. And then it'll analyze the NotebookLM. That's why it's taking a minute. It's gonna go through all of these sources, all of these summaries the Gemini gave me, and then it's gonna give the perfect response. It's gonna take a couple of minutes, but at the end, it's worth it. So you could see it's defining the scope. It's gonna think a lot. It says tutor custom gem. So we just got to wait. Okay, now it's gonna response, I think. Yeah. Let's explore front-end development together. I will ask guiding questions along the way to help you build a strong foundation step by step. Front-end development is the process of building the graphical user interface of a website, as outlined in your front-end developer roadmaps document, and a front-end developer uses specific language to design and build the visual interactive elements that users engage with directly, ensuring the interface is responsive, accessible, and visually appealing. Build modern web applications, we rely on three core web foundations: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, this is not a full guide, so you could tell it, I did not understand any of that. Please guide me from the complete beginning as a complete newbie to tech. And then we could also see the letter R is not being typed. It's really beginning to be annoying. And then let's tell it to give a full roadmap for me to learn along with the basic let's say fundamentals. Now it will give us the roadmap and the basic fundamentals for us to learn front-end development. Now, you could really do anything with this. Like, you could go ahead and explore back-end development, or completely new sector, like let's say agriculture or gardening, anything you want. You could just go give it some sources, and then it will analyze everything and give you a good response. As you could see, I've clarified the user's need, blah blah blah, and see, this is completely okay. The tech world has a lot of jargon, and it can feel like a learning foreign language at first. So the web basics, it shows HTML hypertext markup language, writing the raw text, images, and structural pieces of a website. Now, as you could see, it just asks the first part, and then it says, based on the name front-end development, which part of this restaurant would you think a front-end developer is responsible for building? Now, normally, if I gave this, you would expect the Gemini to go on and type in how to learn front-end skills. But actually, what it's doing is that it's being engaging, and it's teaching you front-end development in a fun and engaging way. Because look, it's asking questions, and it's gonna give some opinions, and then you have to answer, and then, well, you'll learn on the way, like how a real teacher would teach you. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. And let me know in the comment section what skills for Gemini you created. And with that, I'm out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.